Flying mammals. As whales and seals have adapted themselves to a fish-like life, so are there mammals which have become more like birds than animals. These are the bats, which are flying mammals. A bat's wings are quite different from a bird's. They are webbed arms, like the webbed feet of the swimming mammals. Arm and hand is elongated and joined to the furry mouse-like body with a membrane of skin. By beating its arms quickly and cleverly, a bat can fly as well as any feathered bird, as it chases the insects which are its food. Some tropical bats, however, eat fruit. People sometimes use the expression as blind as a bat, but bats are not blind. Because they live mostly in dark caves or buildings and only fly out to feed at night, they do not need to use their eyes. Instead of using their eyes, bats have developed a wonderful system like radar. A bat makes a high-pitched squeak as it flies, a note too high for most human ears to hear. This sound echoes off any object in the way, and the creature is warned in time to avoid it. Scientists have observed bats flying in a pitch-dark room with many thin wires stretched across, and thanks to the radar system, they have not touched a single wire. Bats are strange and interesting animals. They sleep hanging upside down with their wings wrapped around their bodies.